Okay, so we're on the inside of the house, try to get a better video with a little bit wider range. That is the window looking out to the front of the house, front door. And there's the stairway, which is obviously got some work to do. Tread's got to go on, the banister. There's the part of the logs that still have to be ground, which is, oh my God, such a pain. But anyway, somehow we'll get them done. And that, of course, is looking up at the loft. You can see the walls, the lights, which are just a dream come true. I'll go over to the kitchen here. So it's amazing, the lights just blow me away. But anyway, there's the kitchen. So that wall will be open. Beautiful trim on those windows. You can see where he's got the board all ready for cabinets, the electrical for the dishwasher, and then of course drainage and everything for the sink, which will look out over the river and through that window. All of my stuff, and then more of the cabinets. And then over to the bathroom where the penny floor will be. And I think that log right there, you can see, oh, maybe you can't see it. Well, that log above the door would be the perfect log to carve something into, right over top of the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. It's full of stuff, of course, but the toilet is hooked up, can be used, and let there be light. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing. And of course the window again, all trimmed out beautifully. Just fantastic. And then there's the back door. Well, just whip around here so you can see the rest of the great room. Look at that. We'll have a new stove. That's a very old stove, but we'll have a new one. You can see the logs and all of the pine in the ceiling. And then here's the back window, which still needs to be trimmed out. Oh, my light, I lose it. Oh well, here we go. And that's the main floor, and it is just fantastic. And maybe we'll just go over here. We'll take a look at the trim on this window and see just how beautiful it all is. Well, you can't because the light goes. There we are. Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, of course, there's the other window, which again, I keep losing my light. All right, let's go up the stairs. Now you can really see the pine on the wall, or the ceiling, I should say. Yeah, look at that. All right, now we get bathroom, laundry, shower, yeah, and then tub and sink. Actually, it's a little tighter than I thought. However, get a load of this. Just 1 second here. Open the door. Ah, ha! Shower. Still needs to be trimmed out, of course. And then back we go. There's looking down the hallway to the 2 bedrooms. This little guy right here looks out over the river on that side with the beam in the middle. And then out we go and into the other bedroom. Awesome. Ouch. Look at how tall. 11-foot ceilings. That's amazing. And then, of course, this window has to get trimmed out as well. And there you have it. The grand tour of the house. It's coming along so fantastic. That's amazing. Totally amazing. Soon it will be done.